Coins and amounts. Selecting coins and amounts is probably one of the most important things you can do. We strongly advise you to take the time to research the fundamentals behind the coins that you want to invest in. Firstly, select your base currency. This is essentially the currency that you want your hopper to be building up for you. In a way, you'll be betting against this currency as you'll be hoping that the investments you're buying will grow faster than it. If, for example, your base currency is Bitcoin and you trade Ethereum, you'll be hoping that Ethereum grows faster than Bitcoin. Allowed coins will cover all of the other coins you want your hopper to be trading against your base currency. Again, these are coins that you believe in. Trading inferior coins will often lead to inferior performance. Whether or not your technical analysis is sound, percentage by amount will tell your hopper how much as a percentage of your total assets you want to invest in each position. So if you select 10% here and you have 1,000 USDT, your hopper will aim to spend 100 USDT of your total assets on one position, and allow at most 10 positions open at the same time. Next, minimum amount per order is the overall minimum that you want your hopper to open positions for. Generally, your hopper will aim to buy positions for your percentage by amount, but minimum amount per order will set the lowest it will buy a position for. Finally, maximum amount allocated refers to total amount of your assets you want your hopper to be able to access to trade with. Using the above example, you may have 1,500 USDT in total, but since you set your maximum amount allocated to 1,000 USDT, your hopper only has access to 1,000 USDT. That's it. Got any questions? Comment and we'll get back to you.